Well, if you have federal student loans, there are major changes to the program that just went into effect. You'll want to act soon. KDKA's Linder breaks down what you need to know.
Who has access to loans and what type of loan they can get are significantly changed in this environment.
It's an environment that changed on July 1st to the federal student loan program, impacting millions, both new and existing borrowers. An associate professor of higher education at the University of Pittsburgh, Linder says overall, it could now be more difficult for some to afford college and graduate and professional schools.
Low-income students are definitely going to face new obstacles in terms of both repayment and in loan acquisition.
The changes are based on legislation passed by Congress last year that phase out the SAVE plan, with the Department of Education saying the changes simplify and strengthen the loan program. New borrowers will now have fewer options for repayment, just two: the Income-Driven Repayment Assistance Program, or RAP, and a tiered standard plan.
It's going to be a more of a flat amount that you're paying based on the loans. And so you're going to have to pay back at a higher monthly amount, potentially, depending on how much you're making.
Existing borrowers will have 90 days to choose a new plan from the time they are notified. Otherwise, they will be automatically enrolled in the standard plan. On top of repayment, there is also an increase in the interest rate discount for automated payments. And graduate and professional students are not able to borrow as much to further their education.
There are caps on the amount that they can borrow, and we have a significant amount of graduate and professional students that currently take out loans over those caps.
The borrowing limits vary based on programs, with some still facing battles in federal courts. But as of last week, higher caps were restored to those pursuing professions in nursing, an industry that continues to face significant workforce shortages in Pennsylvania.
We rely on these professions and the development of folks to make the Pittsburgh region work.
just urges students to plan early if they want to go to grad or professional schools.
Think about the choices that they're going to be making in terms of education.
Experts urge borrowers check their options as soon as possible because processing delays are expected. You can find what's best for you by checking out studentaid.gov. For now, reporting from downtown, Linder, KDKA-TV News.